What's up mga langga? Welcome back to my vlog. Karon guys, na ako karon sa Heritage Village, Dammam. Check na to kung unsay nasa sulod.
Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Heritage Village in Dammam, one of the top tourist attractions of the city. This is a place where you can learn about the history, culture, and art of the eastern province of Saudi Arabia. The Heritage Village is a building that looks like a fortress. It has a museum that displays many historical artifacts such as old photos, pottery, weapons, coins, and even mummified animals. There is also a car museum that showcases some vintage and classic cars. Let's go inside and see what we can find. The first thing we can see is a restaurant where we can enjoy some delicious food and drinks. This is where we can taste the authentic cuisine of the eastern province as well as other regions of Saudi Arabia. You can choose from a variety of dishes such as lamb mandi, chicken kabsa, fish pasade, and vegetable salona. You can also try some traditional desserts such as kunafa, baklava, and dates. We can also see a huge model of traditional house with different rooms and furnitures. This is how people used to live in the past, before the discovery of oil. You can see the simple but elegant design, the colorful carpets and cushions, and the wooden chests and doors. There are also some mannequins dressed in traditional clothes, showing the different roles and activities of men and women. We can see a collection of old photos, pottery, coins, jewelry, and weapons. These are some of the artifacts that tell the story of the region, from the pre-Islamic era to the modern times. You can see the influence of different civilizations such as Persians, the Romans, the Ottomans, and the British. Also, we can see a museum of natural history with many mummified animals and birds. These are some of the wildlife that can be found in the desert, the mountain, and the sea. You can see the diversity and beauty of natures, as well as the challenges and adaptations of living in harsh environment. There are also some fossils and a skeleton of ancient creatures. You can also see the evolution of economy from fishing and furling to agriculture and oil. In Car Museum, we can see many vintage and classic vehicles. These are some of the cars that were used by the royal family, the government, and the people. You can see the development of the automotive industry from the first cars that arrived in the country to the latest models. You can also see some rare and unique cars such as the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the Mercedes-Benz, and the Cadillac Eldorado. The village also has some shops that sells souvenirs, handicrafts, and antiques. You can find some unique items here that reflects the heritage of the region. The Heritage Village is a great place to visit if you want to experience the past and the present of Dammam. It's open from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Saturday to Wednesday, and 12 p.m. to 1 a.m. for Thursday and Friday. The entrance fee is 20 reals per person, but if you are planning to visit again, you can visit it for free once every 3 months. Just present the receipt.
Very good, very good. Being good, Philippine. Good Philippine. Very good.
That's it for today's tour on the Heritage Village in Dammam. I hope you enjoy it and learn something new. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.